Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our lesson. I'm glad you're here. Today, we're just going to talk about the format of using our slides to help us during our asynchronous and our independent learning time. Notice on this slide, you'll see both a video and audio recordings that you'll want to take a peek at and listen to those as well. My email address is down there on the bottom of on the shelf if you need to get a hold of me at any time. This slide talks about the supplies that you'll need for our science and social studies lesson. First, you'll need a science journal, and you'll want to keep your things, your notes in order, and all the words and the vocabulary, the beautiful words that we're learning, in order from page 1 to go to page 2, as well as your social studies journal. You'll want to have colored pencils for visual note taking. And over here, it talks about why we want to make sure that we use pictures to help us to learn, because it puts it into our brain and it sucks all that information up so we can pull that information out later. It also talks about on this slide stuff you'll want to keep building and your supply area for things to invent with, things to draw, things to create, things to design with. Then comes the schedule event for the week. And on each of these, you can click on what's going on. Since we start school on Wednesday, you can click on Wednesday and you can see that on Wednesday, you're going to be thinking of words and write these words down, or character traits. Write down the character traits that why you would make a good scientist or an engineer. By Thursday, then, you're going to start drawing yourself with a mask, and you're going to be putting the words and character traits that makes you a great scientist on your mask project. You're going to take 2 pieces of paper, and again, the instructions are on here. You're going to take 2 pieces of paper. You're going to glue them together. When it is dry, you're going to fold it together once. That would be 1/2. You're going to fold it together again. That would be 1/4. So you have 4 separate unit fractions: 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Each of these is a unit fraction. This is where our math comes in. We're going to take the top fourth and we're going to draw and then color our eyes and our eyebrows and our hair. The second fourth is going to be where our nose and our ears and our mouth and smile go. On this page, you'll notice also that our words that describe us as scientists will be also on this page. And then the third unit fraction, 3/4, will be, again, words that describe us and character traits of us as a scientist or an engineer. And on the bottom is our mask. So when we put it all together, it will look like this. And then when we pull it apart, it will look like this. And again, your instructions are here for you. On Friday, set that as your date that you would like to have your drawing done. It's okay if you don't get it done by Friday, but when you get it done, you'll want it to add it to Seesaw. And here are your instructions to add it to Seesaw. These are your tools. Again, you'll click on this and you and your parents can figure out how to work Seesaw and how to get to your tools. And you'll want to use the tool photo, and you'll be using your device to take a photo of it and then to upload it onto Seesaw. If you'll notice also, many of these slides have an icon that says let's sing on that, and that will take you to the next slide. And this is a song about being happy and making good choices as far as our attitude in our lives. So every little cell in my body is happy, every little cell in my body is well. And the song will be on the recording so you can listen to that as well. And then tell 3 people about the importance of why it's so important to stay positive and to have a positive outlook on your day. If you click this will also take you to other activities, both on the song as well as some videos about what cells really are. Again, there'll be more instructions on what else you can do for our learning. We have libraries, science libraries. We have a log that will help us, and we have a library that will help us to read more books. Thanks, scientists. Be proud. You're doing great.